La 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 la.
राहुल
तन के साथ मन को जगाओ वी-गार्ड वाटर हीटर्स के संग वी-गार्ड.
The Centre on Thursday extended the ban on Khasi militant group Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council (HNLC) for 5 years. Reacting to this, Meghalaya's Minister of Social Welfare and Art and Culture and spokesperson Paul Lindoh said that look, this is a routine reaction issued by the Home Ministry against the ban. Also, will the Home Ministry's decision have any impact on the ongoing peace talks with the HNLC, to which Lindoh said that HNLC had already made it clear that they are not interested in talks without their conditions being met, so the matter ended there. If they again make any kind of contact for talks, the government has already said that the doors are always open for peace talks.
I think that is routine matter, considering that they have not responded to the notices of the MHA. So it's routine, nothing strange, nothing out of the ordinary. See, HNLC has already made it clear that they are reluctant to further talks. And I think the matter ends there. We have said that our doors are still open. Anytime that they wish to, they can communicate to us and we will re-establish contacts and continue with the talks.